This is Burke. This is Burke. We have fishing, hunting, and a charming view of the sunsets. The only problems are the pests. The only upsides are the pets. You see, most places have mice or mosquitoes, while other places have ponies or parrots. We have dragons.